Hey everybody, it is Saturday, June 27th. This would be week 5 of our container garden. Everything is getting very big. Can't really see the ones on that, but this pepper's got all kinds of flowers. And after nipping the sunflower heads, all these little guys sprouted out. These guys keep popping out more. The oregano's getting nice and healthy. It's a little drizzly out this evening, so he's getting a nice little bath. And then I've seen the first little tomatoes. This guy here. Oh, there's a couple here and there all throughout. Our little blue slate sage flower. Let's see how the lavender's doing nice. Starting to get some little blue flowers. I'll pick it up, but should be some nice ones next week. A little bit there. Didn't get the sunflowers in yet, but hopefully tomorrow. This thing is just a monster. I think I need to spray it down. It's got some funky on the leaves. But other than that, look at that in there. That thing's almost ready for picking. I think if I can move it up, don't know if it doesn't get stuck in the. There we go. Now we got some more. We're down 2 there. And then I think there's one over here I'm going to cut because it's not looking good. So we'll nip that one. And then we'll let these other ones do. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 or 9 of them. So we have zucchini bread, zucchini and onion sauteed. All right. And this monster. This thing is. I can't believe how well this thing looks. Marigolds are still kind of hanging in there, but they're starting to get blocked out with the sun. So I think I'm going to do some leaf cutting in the middle there. Get some sun down in there. And then, where's the one I seen? Got a nice cucumber start. There we go. That one's right there. I haven't noticed any other ones, unfortunately. There's a baby. I don't know if it's going to do anything. There's another hopeful. But this thing is just awesome. I don't know what I'm going to do when it gets to the top. It's got some room to go, but we'll see if it, maybe just have it go up and then come back down. Maybe run some strings over to the fence from the top, or I don't know how that's going to pull. We'll see how it, I'll figure something out. And these guys over here, marigolds are going to town. Got a lot of white flowers on this one. I'm not sure what's going on with this one over here. It's just had some in the center of it, like stuff dying off, but it's got some flowers going, so we'll see. I don't know if it's got some kind of disease going up the trunk there, or I don't know. We'll find out. I hope we get some from that. I like the little orange snackers. All right, and then I put this guy in the ground. He's doing a little better. It's greener, healthier looking, but still hasn't grown a whole lot yet. flowers over there. And then the rose, the rose got attacked. So I gotta get these little guys here. Let's see if I can. There we go. So we got these guys that are going to town on the plant. Cut them off. Do something with them. And here got another one. And the leaves are curling. So this thing's definitely my project. Keep it alive and thriving. There's some healthy in the center there. Some nice healthy leaves. So try spraying it down again. It's been like 2 weeks. See if it bounces back and we'll get rid of these worms. They can have their last meal, and that's it. All right. All right, so this has been week 5, and we'll see you next week.